Hello, greetings to one and all. This is Jack Lookman welcoming you to our series, Jack's Curated Business Ideas. I hope that you've been getting value from the previous episodes. Today's topic is about the domestic remote controlled light switch. Now, what's the problem? Have you come back home after a long day and decided to relax on the bed or sofa? In the process of relaxing, you become tired and dozy. You wish to put off the light, but you are weak and tired, and you don't have a bed lamp. As a result of the light, as a result, the light is on all night long until you wake up to put it off. Now, what's the idea? You probably have gadgets, television, music box, car, fans, air conditioning, etc. They probably all have remote controls. Why can't we have remote controls for our light switches? This could be ready installed in new buildings or adaptations made to the lighting devices in older buildings. Now, here's a summary of the process to be followed. You could add or subtract from it. You could achieve your aim by getting an engineer to design the remote control. The engineer could be sourced locally or from a freelancing platform. Production could follow. Of course, you do tests. Again, you could leverage the internet accordingly. If you can do it locally, tests are carried out and regulations are met. The product is brought to the marketplace and then monetized. Now, let's talk a bit about marketing. Before commencing the project, you need to do research accordingly. Market research, product research, competitor research, etc. These shall be foundational basis for the project or for the business. If the project is viable, you could proceed with implementation. In order to market, you could leverage some or many marketing options, such as social media marketing, influencer marketing, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, content marketing, email marketing, search engine optimization, online stores, etc. Now, what are the benefits that may be derived from the product? Well, you may ask, what are the benefits of this remote control? Well, some of them, it gives convenience. Instead of you moving around to put on the light or switch on the light or switch it off, you just press the remote control and it puts it off. It could help save electricity and money. It could elongate the lifespan of light bulbs. It could create jobs and wealth. It could be compatible with different lighting devices. It could be designed for multiple uses. It could make the world greener with lesser emissions. What are the threats? It could promote laziness. The device could get lost or misplaced. It could be a fire hazard if imperfectly designed, produced, and installed. There could be fake versions of your product. It could be an additional device or gadget in the house. It could be a hazard to young children. If mishandled, it could become unusable. Now let's talk about monetization. A sales funnel could be created. These products or products could be part of the sales funnel. You could monetize the product as well as sell or market other related products and services. For example, there may need to be a device or devices to link existing lighting devices with the new gadgets. You may sell batteries. You may go into partnership with those who sell electrical devices. You could market it as a gift item. It may be sold individually or as a bundle, etc. Now let's talk about the value chain. These shall include the undermentioned market research, project management, funding, design, production, installation, maybe maintenance, marketing, sales, after sales service, legalities, logistics, etc. Now, let me include a small disclaimer. This is just an idea, so it's not anything guaranteed. What is expected is that you do your due diligence to make sure that you cross all the T's and dot all the I's. Now, in conclusion, just like most of our other content, this is another curated business idea. It's what is called a blue ocean in marketing terms. If you successfully execute it, you could enjoy a monopoly. The product or products could be sold globally and you could monetize via any part of the value chain. Just like everything else, it has its challenges. The important thing is to overcome such and make the best of the idea. Now, that's more or less the end of the presentation. We hope that you've enjoyed today's presentation and I hope you got value. If so, please consider liking, sharing, subscribing, and reposting. If you have any thoughts or comments on any of our content, please share them or contact us privately. Our mission is to empower and inspire generations by leveraging the internet. You could access more of our content on social media such as YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, etc. Search for business ideas, etc., curated business ideas, or Jack Lukman. We've also written a lot of books in paperback and ebook formats. Please search for Jack Lukman at amazon.co.uk, seller.co, and other major outlets. We also have content on our website at jacksempowerment.com. Some content are paid and some are free. If you are interested in business collaboration with Jack Lukman, please contact him via jacksempowerment.com and search for the module Business Collaboration with Jack Lukman, just as advertised. Also, if interested in being mentored, please contact Jack Lukman via the module Jack's Mentoring 101. This is also advertised in the video. If interested in playing a number puzzle, please consider our unique Jaaloo puzzles. You could access it at jaaloo.com. This is also advertised in the video. It's recreational, helps with mental stimulation. It also helps with accuracy skills and is currently free. So just visit jaaloo.com. This is Jack Lukman signing off. Ireo Irekabiti.